Alright, so this is another dumpster fire of a Technics. Supposedly, that these are supposed to be really good. There's a little computer fan on the back. We got optical inputs, a phono, a TV, DVD, 6-channel DVD. So you got front, center, subwoofer, surround left and right, 2, 4, 6. So, that's not 6. I don't know why they call that 6. So, if you have front, left, and right, you have subwoofer, and you have center, and you have surround, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5.1. That's not 6. They call it 6-channel, but the subwoofers technically it'd be 5.1. Subwoofer out, monitor in, DVD in. It can be bi-wired, so I've got speakers that do that. So low frequency, high frequency, and that's supposed to be really, really good. A or B, 4 to 8 ohms each, and A and B, 8 ohms each, bi-wire, 6 to 8 ohms each. Surround sound speakers, 6 to 8 ohms. Center, 6 to 8 ohms. And then you have some of these and these. It's made in Malaysia, so it's not quite China. So I figured I'll just take a risk on it and see how well it works. It's very heavy. And it's kind of got this thing on the bottom that I haven't seen any of the other ones advertise. It's horrible cooling. I don't know why they did these the way they did. I honestly think if somebody really cared about this thing, they would drill holes in it. Because it's ridiculous to expect this thing to cool. You're counting on that to do everything. Let me flip it over. So on the bottom we have this thing here, and I would guess that this is probably due to the fact that it can't cool properly, or it was some kind of mod that they sold for this thing, because I don't know if it was really supposed to come with this. It's like a foamy kind of hard rubber. It's coated. I've never seen anything like it before. But if we put a fan right here, we'll be in like Flynn. Look at that. That's the heat sink right there. So all we really need to do to mod this thing is put a fan under here. Maybe there was even one, because it kind of looks like there's 2 holes here. Why are they there? And there's these ones and these ones. It's like, I'm wondering, was there something else that went to this? Like a special fan? I have a feeling yes. Anyway, so this one looks like somebody got excited with it. So I'm going to clean it very carefully. I have no idea what that would be. But I don't think it's love sauce. I'd hope not, but it could be. You never know. Anyway, that's a Technics SADA10 high sound quality MOSFET. And I watched a video on this, and supposedly he said it sounds better than the Marantz 2230. Well, I don't have a 2230, I have a 2230B. So we'll try and see.